Alright, so I'm here at building number 1 at this condo complex here in Punta Gorda, Florida. There's my rental bike right there. And right here is the elevator. This was originally a Miami/Dover elevator that got modded with innovation. Innovation universal buttons. Up and down lantern. Alright. Go up to 4. Here we're on the 4th floor. Back down to 1. Cabin itself is very basic for a condo building, nothing really too exciting. I believe this is original when this was a Dover / Miami build, I should say. These are your innovation universal buttons. Certificate right there, and you are at 1. Floor indicator, capacity 2,500 pounds. Listen to the motor one more time, go back up to 4. We'll get a view from the top. Here we are back at 4. It does have a nice motor though, despite being replaced. Obviously, this is not the original motor. I'll watch the elevator close. And while we're up here, we'll get a quick view from this side rail here. This is your view towards Punta Gorda, Florida. Very nice view. I do like the palm trees. Gotta love palm trees. I don't see them in Pennsylvania a lot. Or at least never, I should say. Retention pond right there. And you can kind of see Fisherman's Village right over there. Tennis court. Alright. Nothing else to see up here. That takes you down to a set of stairs. And same with that side. Alright, let's take the elevator back down and end the video. One. Close did not work that time. Watch the button go out. And you're at 1. Alright, so that was a rather boring elevator for a condo building. It does have a good motor though. Before I end, I want to see something here. Look up at the shaft. Kind of see some of the Dover blue, especially right there. But everything else seems to be replaced. And the airlock is a GEL airlock. Alright, and there goes the elevator. Before I end the video, I want to show you something. Got a plant right there. As you can tell, this elevator could have easily been made glass, but unfortunately it is not glass. It would have offered a nice view towards that way, but it is what it is. Anyways, that was the elevator at some condo building. This is building number 1, by the way, here in Punta Gorda, Florida, and I guess that will be it. Alright, so I'm here at building number 2 at this condo complex in Punta Gorda, Florida. There's my rental bike right there. And here is the elevator. And just like building number 1, this was originally a Dover / Miami elevator that got a mod with innovation. Innovation universal. Put the 4. We're on 4. Back down to 1. Door closed but works. And just like building number 1, very basic cab for a condo building. How's the original business over? Camera's lost focus. There we go. Use your innovation universal buttons. Certificate right there. Floor indicator, capacity of 2,500 pounds. Here are back at 1. By the way, there's an air freshener right there. Back at the 4, we'll get a view. This one appears to have a better motor than building number 1. I'll look up in the shaft here. See some Dover blue and a GEL airlock. Get a view out from this building here. Similar view, but it's obviously different. Down there's the tennis courts. At least you get a better view of Fisherman's Village right there. There's building number 3, which I've yet to check out. Alright, I guess we'll go back down in the elevator and the video of building number 2. This one's got a slower door. Alright, and at 1. Not sure who did it, but I know both of these elevators I filmed. Probably a local third-party company. Watch the button go out. And here we're back at 1. So just like building number 1, pretty boring elevator. Despite having a nice motor. This one's definitely better than the 2. And there goes the elevator, and just like building number 1. This elevator here could have easily been made glass, but unfortunately it is not glass. This would have been the view if it was a glass elevator. Anyways, that was building number 2 here at this condo building, or condo complex, in Punta Gorda, Florida. And I guess that'll be it for this one. Alright, this is going to be the 3rd and final building here at this condo complex in Punta Gorda, Florida. Here's my rental bike. And right here is the elevator. And just like the other 2 elevators, this was originally a Dover/Miami elevator that got modded with innovation. Alright, let's take out the 4. We're on the 4th floor. Back down to 1. Cab view, just like the other 2 elevators. Very basic cab. Obviously this is the original cab when it was a Dover back then. No smoking, capacity 2,500 pounds, just like the other 2. Floor indicator. Use your innovation universal buttons. Certificate right there. Here we're back at 1. Back at before we listen to the motor. Of course you can't hear the motor on this one because this one has a louder fan. Anyways, here we go back to 4. I guess while we're up here, we'll get a quick view from this building. Similar view, obviously this is a bit different than the other two. The other two buildings are right down there. And right there you can get a perfect view of Fisherman's Village. So yeah, definitely a nice view, let's say that, from all 3 buildings. Down that direction, and that direction is your set of steps. And anyways, let's take the elevator back down and end the video. There's your up and down lantern. Watch the button go out. And you're back at 1. Yeah, I'm not sure who did the model. All 3 of these elevators I filmed. Probably a local third-party company. Here's looking towards the shaft. You can see some of the Dover blue and GEL airlock. Alright, so that was 3 modernized Dover elevators here at this condo complex in Punta Gorda, Florida. And before I end the video, just like the other 2 buildings, this one could have easily been made glass as well. So this is where the elevator is located. And this would have been your view. This was a glass elevator. Well anyways, that's going to be it for these elevators.